Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Teja. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to visualize your data using the shape map in Power BI. Remember to click on the subscribe button, click on like, drop a comment, share the link with your network. So this is the shape map in Power BI. If you don't have a shape map among your charts, if you don't have a shape map among your charts, you can come to the File tab, come to Options and Settings, come to Options, you click on Preview Settings, click on Preview Settings, then you now check this box, Shape Map Visual. You check the box and hit on OK. So once you do that, the shape map feature will appear here among your charts. So let's quickly visualize our data using the shape map features. So you click on this, you bring it here. So we have the location. What are we going to fill in a location? So I'm going to bring in state. So you click on state, click on state, you come to data category, click on this drop down, change it to any category of your choice. If your data you want to visualize is a county, click on county. If it's a city, click on city, and so on. So since mine is a state, I've clicked on state. So I'll drag it to where we have location. Drag it to where you have location. So I'm going to expand this. Let me expand this again. So the legend, I'm going to fill in region in the legend. So we have state. So let's fill in the region. So we have region here. Now bring in the region. So we have legend. We have that there. So color saturation. So our color saturation is going to be our revenue. So we want to see how each region is generated the revenue. Does Northwest generate revenue more than, sorry, does Midwest generate revenue more than Northeast? So that's what we want to find out. So bring in our revenue, bring in our revenue to color saturation. We have that there. So we have done with this. So you want to keep it like this, fine, but if you want to customize it, so let's try and do some customization. You come to format your visuals, click on this, click on map settings, you click on legend, you click on text. You can now change the font to any font of your choice. So I like playing with this, I like going with this. So you can change the font size to 11 or 12. I love keeping mine at 11. So the color, let's keep it at black. Keep the color as black. The title, this is the title. You don't want the title. So this is the title. You don't want the title. This is the title region. Don't want it, you can turn it off. You can as well turn it on. It's optional. So I turn that off. So let's go ahead and fill our colors. So let's customize it. Let's fill our colors. So we're going to start with West. We're going to start with West, fill it with this color. The next is Northeast. You fill it with this color. The next is Southeast. You fill it with this color. The next is South. You fill it with this color. The next is Midwest. You fill it with this color. So you go to the blank area. So this is a blank area. Alaska is a blank area. So this is a blank area, Alaska. You can as well turn it off. So let's go to borders. So let's change our borders color to black. Change it to black. So let's increase the width. It's at 1. Let's change it to 2. We have it at 2. You can as well keep it at 3. So we have it there. We have it at 3. So we move on to the next one, which is general. We don't want the title. We don't want this. This is a title. Revenue by state and region. We don't want that. We turn it off. So this is optional. You can keep it if you want. This is optional. So this way you can turn it off in case you don't need it. Come in to turn it off. Turn it off. The effect. You don't want the background color, so you turn that off. So that is the simplest way on how to visualize your data using the shape map features in Power BI. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Before you leave, remember to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, hit on like, and share the link with your network. Thank you. See you in the next video.